Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover, and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here on the channel, guys. Today I will be specifically talking about the Bitcoin and Ethereum price action. And if you're a holder of Bitcoin and Ethereum, I should be definitely watching this video till the end, guys, because we will be discussing the key levels of support and resistance that we have to be looking at in order to be bullish or bearish. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that likes, guys. Make sure, let's go for 400 likes on this video. It will be amazing if we can reach it. And as well here, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well here. Because yes, guys, we're very close towards the 46k here. We're only exactly 100 subscribers away from it. So it will be amazing if you can reach it right now on this video. So guys, what are we looking at for Bitcoin? Of course, I did a little bit of a zoom out view here. This is of course the bigger time, I mean still in the 1 hour, but this is of course a bigger pattern that's currently unfolding. Currently it's very hard to say what the charts is going to do here in the immediate short term, but guys, this of course a zoomed out look here. So we are forming an upward sloping support line. We are clearly forming a downward sloping resistance line, guys. And what you can see right now, of course, because this is playing out here, you can just see okay, we see the symmetrical triangle getting formed here, and once again, guys, a symmetrical triangle tends to break out to the direction where it is heading towards. So yes, do I want to be extremely bullish right now on Bitcoin? I mean, I truly want to be staying bullish because I know what is going around behind the scenes here. The whales are still scooping up their Bitcoin, and of course the retailers are selling. They're trying to cause the FUD into the market. They're trying to shake out the weak hands, and that is currently what is going on here. So that is the reason why I'm of course still stay bullish on the market. But right now, of course, this pattern is once again giving me a bearish signal because yes, guys, I mean, a symmetrical triangle is a continuation pattern, and it tends to break out to the direction where it is, of course, getting formed from. So right now you're seeing a symmetrical triangle getting created from a move towards the downside. So yeah, the likelihood of breaking down is just higher. And besides that, guys, a quick thing that I want to be saying here, before I go into the exact price target of the symmetrical triangle, guys, if you want to be letting me know which coin I have to make a dedicated video about, make sure to drop it in the comment section. And of course, also give me your reasons why I have to go into that video, because yes, guys, later after this video, I will be right away going to upload another video about a dedicated altcoin, and of course I'm going to discuss it, why you should be buying it or should not be buying it. So make sure to let me know which altcoin I have to talk about, because that will be of course very amazing if you can drop that in the comment section. So Bitcoin, of course, we can be going both directions, guys. We can be having a breakdown or a break towards the upside. And of course, if we're going to see a breakdown here, this will be a quite horrible target of 30% towards the downside, and this can be pushing up to towards the 25k here. And I mean, if we're already going towards the 25k here, I would be already suggesting lower targets, but that's of course a chart that I will be discussing in a second. So we're going to see a break towards the upside. This can be a 26% pump here. And of course, this 26% pump here will be, of course, very amazing, because then we're heading once again back towards the 49k here. And is this target likely to get reached here? I think yes, we can be, of course, because the fall off is going so quickly, we can also recover very quickly. That is the fact that you want to be knowing. And that's, of course, very important to know. And I mean, yes, guys, we will be seeing a breakout before on tomorrow probably, and tomorrow I will be also going back to home. So for me, it will be a very hectical time to do a live stream tomorrow, but I do think the volatility on Monday tomorrow will be insane. So that's the reason why I'm already giving you guys a setup, what you can be doing here. So yeah, in order to trade this, I should be waiting for a breakout either towards the upside to long. And of course, you can be opening short if we're going to break towards the downside. Even though that I don't like to short the market, there can be definitely another leg down getting created if we're going to go a little bit lower. So that is, of course, absolutely exciting here. And let me also go into a different chart here, and let me discuss some more key levels for Bitcoin. So, I mean, this is, of course, a little bit of the bigger scheme here, guys. If we're really going to close a daily candle below the 30k here, right away going to clarify this up here, we are going to be extremely bearish. But of course, that is on my worst case scenario. The worst case scenario for me right now is that we're going to see a daily candle close below the 30 just exactly 30k here. If we're going to do so, guys, if you also enable the VPVR indicator here, let me get it in front of the screen here, the visible range, you can see there's almost no volume getting traded around these levels. There's almost no volume getting traded around this level. So if we're really going to close the daily candle below the 30k here, it will be absolutely a free fall of another 34% towards the 20k here. And I mean, is the 20k retest necessarily so bad here? I don't think so, because yeah, it's just a retest of the previous all-time high, and we did not even got that retest yet here. So I mean, I would certainly love to see that retest getting towards our way, because that will be, of course, providing even better buying opportunities. But is this a likely target to get reached here? No, I don't think so. And why don't I think so? Is because everyone is anticipating it. And if everyone is anticipating a certain level, the bigger players will be already sending limit orders higher up. So that is the reason why I don't think that we're going to reach it. And of course, some people are saying, yeah, we're going to fill the CME gap around the 9K here. Don't think so, because yes, guys, if you're really anticipating CME gaps, for the people that are right now wondering, we also have some CME gaps here sitting on the 61K still. So yeah, why wouldn't you say that we are going to go towards the upside, my friend? So I mean, no, CME gaps is definitely not a thing that I'm currently anticipating. And yeah, let's see how this will be ending, of course. But for Bitcoin, the worst case scenario is, of course, yeah, the 20K here. Is it likely to get reached here? No, I don't think so. And besides that, guys, on the 4-hour, we want to be really looking to this downward sloping resistance line here. This is the critical level that we want to be breaking through, because you can see here in the past days, we were each and every time finding resistance on this level. And this is, of course, a major level that you want to be breaking through, because if we can't break through this level, we will be definitely we'll be seeing another touchdown here. But you know it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points already. And guys, the more times you are testing these certain levels, the more likely it will be that we're going to break through here. And also, guys, right now we'll be going into Ethereum, but before I go into Ethereum, guys, if you want to be signing up with Bybit right now, you can be, of course, taking these trades either direction, of course. And if you're signing up right now, you're getting a $2,610 deposit bonus, biggest deposit bonus ever in history of Bybit. So make sure, I mean, in the cryptocurrency space in general, so make sure to go into the link in the description here. Make sure to already sign up with Bybit here, because they are currently offering you the biggest deposit bonus ever in history. And it will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. Even though if we're not going to trade it right now here, I should be already saying to you guys, you can be already sign up your account here, because if you're doing so, of course, you're getting this bonus for the rest of the time. So that's, of course, the reason why you should be right now already signing up with Bybit. So guys, Ethereum. And what are we seeing here? Right now, looking at the 1 hourly time frame, and I am currently seeing a critical level that we want to be holding on here. So this blue box here, it's the box that we want to be holding on for the price action of Ethereum. If we can't hold on to this blue box here, this will be extremely bearish, of course. We are forming a downward sloping resistance line here, guys. And today I decided to zoom out a little bit more here. Yesterday and the day before, I was looking at extreme low time frames. But right now today, I thought, okay, let's zoom out a little bit here, because always once you're in doubt, you just want to be zooming out a little bit here. And right now you can see 4, 5, 6, 7 touch points on the supportive box here. And you know it, the more times we are testing this level of support, the more likely it will be that we're going to break down here. And besides that, guys, we are forming a descending triangle, and a descending triangle is, of course, a bearish bias pattern. And if we are going to see a breakdown from this bearish bias pattern, guys, this will be meaning that we're going to see a price target sitting around the $936. Do I really think that we're going to reach price target? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think that we're going to reach this price target, because this will be another horrible drop off of approximately 60% here. And we can also still see a break towards the upside, and that can be once again pushing up the price towards the $3,500, and of course recover the full drop off. And yeah, I do think that we can be still maybe seeing a breakdown here, but don't necessarily reach the price target. So I should be only trading this one into one direction, and that is long here. So guys, make sure to look at the chart yourself as well here, because yeah, this one will be breaking out today. This will be seeing a breakout in the coming 5 hours approximately. And of course, guys, if I'm going to see a breakout either direction, I will be right away notifying everyone here on the channel. I will be making a quick update video, and of course by then we can be, of course, looking for a long or short trade. And that is the reason why you already can be signing up your Bybit account, because yes, guys, the volatility will be coming towards our way. And of course, especially for Bitcoin tomorrow, this will be insane. But this can be a trade of 55% towards the upside with a 10x leverage. This can be a 550% trade. So I mean, guys, we can be definitely heading towards the upside right now, and that is the reason why I do feel very excited about Ethereum as well here, because yes, Ethereum will be probably showing more volatility, because yes, guys, it also corrected more significantly, but once falling, it will be, once increasing, it will be definitely also, of course, going a little bit higher. And that is, of course, the reason why I truly say, yeah, it looks very interesting, and it is definitely worth to check out right now. So, guys, this was already my video here about my update on Ethereum and Bitcoin. And if you liked it, make sure to right away let me know here as well. If you watched till the end here, guys, make sure to say 1, 2, 3 once again in the chat here. It will be amazing, guys. Yesterday, you guys absolutely smashed it up with the subscribers. You guys smashed it up to 700 likes, guys. Let's go once again for maybe 400 or 500 likes. Will be amazing if we can reach it. And of course, Tomorrow I'm going back to my own place once again here. So yeah, the quality will be getting a little bit better once again here. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Unfortunately, I can't stream today, but I will be pushing out approximately 3 videos. So that's something that you can be looking forward to. Don't forget to ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out of these time-related videos. And I will check you guys in the next one. Goodbye.